boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with Bank, who are offering an incredible 50% cashback on deposit, which as you can see is absolutely insane. There's another bonus for trading as well, so make sure to get involved in the description below. Make sure to take advantage along with all of our other exchange partnerships. The next thing I'd like to talk about is Sapphire Studios token, otherwise known as SST. SST is in pre-sale with 100x potential because it will be the core coin in not just one game, but in lots of games. And not just any games, the most sophisticated games you can make on mobile, called real-time strategy MMOs. Mobile real-time strategy MMOs are a massive real-time multiplayer games that can have tens of thousands of players per server, with gameplay happening 24/7. The sophistication makes other Web3 games like Axes look like kids' games. Sapphire Studios is going for mass adoption on a large scale by competing directly with the biggest mobile titles like Clash of Clans, Game of War, Forge of Empires and Rise of Kingdoms. Why buy SST right now? It's got true potential for mass adoption, and at under 10 million market cap at pre-sale, with one of its MMO games, Gold Inc, is already live, it has a real shot at beating out simple games like Axes that have a $1 billion market cap. Currently you can use the link in the description below to get 30% off more SST today. So just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame here, as we can see, not too much to report over the past few weeks. Really, we've just been chopping sideways in this smaller range within the wider range here that we've been in. You can see really not doing too much here apart from just getting stuck under our 0.23 Fibonacci. Obviously Bitcoin has been retracing here. If you take a look at Bitcoin, you can see we came down, swept the low, swept the all-time high, and now we're retracing as I predicted. Currently at 110k, but we could easily come back down towards this 100k area. I think this would be a really good move, wouldn't it? Down here, sweep this liquidity here, and then bounce and continue up. Obviously Bitcoin's been indomitable and continuing to the upside here in this cycle continuously, and you can see quite clearly here that Bitcoin probably due for another pullback before continuation. To be honest, you can see every time that we pumped up, we did have a significant period of pulling back. Obviously Vechain right now, just like most altcoins, still in this tricky spot where we don't know whether or not anything is going to move to the upside in terms of altcoins. Bitcoin obviously has just been doing this, came down for its bear market, and then since then is up here somewhere like this. Ethereum's done this, which is really odd, and you can see Vechain here really has not got started at all, just like most of these bigger altcoins in the market. To be honest, you can see Vechain here quite clearly has not been doing much at all. A lot of cryptos of this larger ilk did have this Trump pump, the tariff dump, and then since the tariff dump, a lot of stagnation as people try and figure out where we're going next. Right now, it's very much dependent, I think, on Ethereum continuing up to all-time highs. Obviously, we have come up and tapped new all-time highs here, and we are getting a little bit of chop and resistance in this area, as you would expect, especially with Bitcoin trying to pull the market back, as you can see. I think Bitcoin pulls back to 100k down here and drags the market down again before we do see any kind of significant upside, unless Ethereum just absolutely rips through this resistance and continues up to like 6k or something, like a clear swing point above. Otherwise, we are just going to be sitting and waiting to see what happens next for all of our altcoins still. Thanks a lot for watching again, guys, for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for Bank to get your 50% cashback bonus and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks for watching.